Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're wondering why you have dark patches all over your body, maybe your finger, your elbow, your knee, okay, or even your neck, if you're wondering why you have uneven skin tone, if you're wondering why you have uneven skin tone while using a brightening lotion or a brightening soap, please, this is for you. Okay, I'll break it down why you're having such experiences. Okay, just watch till the end of this video as I reveal why you're experiencing such. Okay, you're using a brightening lotion. Let me explain it in a way we will all understand it. Okay, so the skin is sensitive. Okay, it's sensitive. It's just kind of, how do I say it, malleable. Like, you can actually mold it in a way you want. That is in the sense that when you want it to be lighter, it can be lighter. When you want it to be dark, it can be dark. Okay, you can tell it what you want it to do for you. Okay, that's depending on how you take care of your skin and what you use on your skin. Okay, so our skin lessons when you handle it the right way. So for you to avoid damaging your skin, okay, for you to avoid damaging your skin with chemicals from the oil, from the soap, and from your body lotion, okay, you have to know that your skin is delicate. Okay, your skin is delicate. Avoid using excessive brightening or lightening agents on your skin. Okay, for instance, if you're using a lightening body lotion, okay, a lightening body lotion, avoid using a lightening soap. Okay, avoid using a lightening soap. And if you're using a lightening, you're either using a lightening soap or a lightening body lotion, do not use the two of them at once. Do not use the two of them together. Okay, I'll explain why. The reason I said you should not use a brightening lotion and a brightening soap is because you will end up having dark patches all over your body. You end up having uneven skin tone, and you don't want that. Okay, you don't want that. You don't want to end up having fair face and dark knuckles, or your face is so bright and fair while your neck is dark. You don't want that. It doesn't look good. I believe that's not the reason why you were using a lightening soap in the first place. So the remedy here is, when you use a lightening soap, make sure you are combining it with a mild body lotion. Okay, when you're using a lightening lotion, make sure you are combining it with a mild soap. Okay, for instance, okay, this is Dettol. Okay, Dettol soap. I use this Dettol soap. Okay, whenever I'm using my lightening body lotion, I use this Dettol soap. You can also find other Dettol soaps, okay, that are good. Like, there's this Dettol even skin tone. Yes, Dettol even tone. I think it's Dettol even tone or Dettol even skin tone. It's very good. I've also used it. It's very good. Try it. You can get it, or you can also get yourself Dove soap. Okay, just make sure you're using a mild soap whenever you're using your lightening body lotion. Okay, and if you're using a lightening soap, if you're using a lightening soap, a good lightening soap, okay, Don't use lightening body lotion. If you're using a moisturizing, a non-lightening body lotion, for instance, any of this or this, if you're using any of them, okay, and you want that lightening effect on your skin, okay, you don't need to pair it with a mild soap. No, go for a very good brightening or lightening soap. Okay, a very good lightening or brightening soap will do. You can get Asante papaya. Okay, I think Asante papaya and carrots. Okay, you can get Asante soap. Yes, Asante soap. It's good. Okay, you can pair it with it. You can just pair it with any brightening, good brightening, or even Gluta-C. Gluta-C, any of Gluta-C is good. Okay, you can pair it with it for your skin lightening and brightening. Yes, okay, you end up having this balance and even toned skin. Okay, a skin that you'll be proud of, a skin that you'll be happy to show off. Okay, yes, don't damage your skin. Using all those brightening agents is not good for the skin. It will damage your skin. It will damage your skin. Before you know it, you start noticing some reddish looking surfaces on your skin. Your skin start turning red, or you start having green veins. You don't want that. Or you might even start breaking out. So you don't want that. We don't want that for you. Okay, so that's why I'm advising you today to try and balance it. Okay, balance is the key. You don't overdo things, don't overdo it. Okay, please don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, and if you found this video helpful, please drop a comment. Thank you. See you on my next video. Okay.